this time we're actually going to be doing the thing. Because last time we were just preparing. And now, I told you to stop. And now we're going to start it.
I know I called that one area.
Does it matter?
Bro, stop! Stop!
I stopped, okay. You don't have to yell because they can hear you on your own mic anyways.
I know.
Every time I find you, I'm gonna hit you.
No.
Oh my gosh, there's a creeper.
So you get.
Oh man. So we're back in the mine.
Every time I find you.
Yo. Yeah, anytime we find each other, we have to hit each other.
Yeah, only once though. Only once.
Yeah. Oh, you're over there. Okay. Which way?
No, you can't look at my thing. You can't look.
No, I'm trying to find a way to the center.
Seems to be I haven't even found an enemy, so I'm probably not even close.
I found two.
I hear a spider somewhere.
Oh, I think I'm at the center. What's this? Oh, it's a dead end.
What?
How?
I literally went at the wrong place. Oh no. Yeah, skeleton die.
If you jump and attack, it'll make more damage. It'll do more damage.
Look at everything.
Oh my gosh, bro.
This thing is rigged.
I can't even. I'm so confused. Where do I need to go?
I feel like we need to.
I can't even. I'm so confused now.
Yeah, me too.
I thought this was gonna be easy claps. Wait,
Yeah.
were you right?
Only once. Wait, I didn't get my once. Okay.
Wait, I didn't hit you once. Where are you?
Wait, you already did hit me. Stop. You're trying to lie. Lie is gonna help.
Wait, I think we're in a different place because I don't remember walking up the stairs. Okay. There we go. I got my smack.
Hey, stop following me.
No, this is literally the only place we can go, so.
What?
Yeah.
Are you
Wait,
sure?
how is it completely different? Hold on.
You're following me. You're legit following me.
Yeah, no, I'm not. Wait, I think I might have found it.
How if I don't go to the start?
Wait, is this going in a... Hold on.
What?
Yo, chill.
Let's give me sword. Okay, I think I'm going the right way.
I'm going in a... Oh, I just went in a circle. Yo, this thing is so confusing.
Is there any No, that just leads.
I've barely seen any enemies so far. I've only seen two.
No, you're not. Oh, I hear a spider. Where am I going? I feel like I'm. Yeah, I didn't see this. What?
Am I going the right way?
What? I just went to a dead end.
Oh, I think I'm going in the right direction. No, wait, did I find it? I'm pretty close. No, didn't. Oh, I was already here.
Hey,
It's so close. No, I'm not. How? But man, do you have to go here? No, wait. Didn't I just come from there? Hey, yo, where did he come from?
Yeah.
I'm such a pro gamer. Where are you? Wait, I already went that way, so...
No, I already went that way. Yeah,
Oh, there's
I already
literally
went
a
that
zombie
way.
there. Did I... Oh, I killed him from the other wall.
What is that doing here? I didn't see that. It just came from up there somehow.
I think it might have just spawned. Alright, so I'm starting again from the beginning, I think.
Wow. Wow, that's actually good.
Okay, so David, did you go this way yet?
I don't know.
Okay, so this is a dead end.
It's a dead end. But just in case. I hope I don't go to the beginning too. Probably I hear a spider.
Did you already go this way?
I don't even know. I think I just came from there. Yeah.
Wait,
I
wait,
just, like,
hold up.
looked.
How is...
What? Wait.
What's up?
Okay, then. I still haven't even
It's
found
turning
the
day.
enemy. Yeah, which is gonna be good.
Should I go this way?
I go this way.
I don't think this is... Yeah. I don't think this is the right way. Yo. Back up.
Am I at the start? Oh.
Let me go back.
No! I've been here.
Oh, I should have let the creeper explode.
Bro, why? Hey, that's cheating.
Wait, I want to see, like...
Bro, that's cheating. That's cheating. I get to go through the walls.
No, wait, I'm just trying.
Just like only one. Okay, now it's even. Bro, you can't stand on there forever. That ain't fair. Since you're doing that.
Oh.
Okay, that'll be the last one. That's gonna be the last one. Actually, let's both do one more. Let's save one more.
Oh, I found it.
You found the thing?
Yeah.
Bruh, you won.
Now we have to fight the thing, so I'm going to come and find you. Don't worry, I won't get lost. Where are you? Oh, I see you.
Wait, stay where you were.
Oh, wait.
Bruh, I'm cutting through.
Okay.
No. Sorry. Wait.
No, just come back. Just come back. Come on. I won't hit you. Come on, let's go. No, David, it's right here.
Okay, fine. Come on. Okay, there. Okay. What? Come on, help me break through stuff. Help me break through.
Okay, fine.
Ha, did you hear that? I was like, Pop. Hey,
Okay,
you
come
said
on.
that we won't attack.
Jump through. Let's go.
Oh, stop. Where did you go? Bro, I'm still dying. Okay, there.
You probably want to eat your golden apple before we go. Just some advice. Alright, let's go. Because you destroyed the windows, now we can't really see anything.
What's this place though?
What are you
Come on.
doing? No, come back. Where are you going?
Okay. I just went through the door. Yeah, I destroyed the
Go on the
lights
right
by
door.
accident.
The right. No, the other one. Come on, let's go.
I never knew it was that door. Okay, yeah, that was.
Did you hit me?
No, I just like.
Yes, you did hit me.
I did it.
Yes, because you got
No.
hurt. I put thorns.
No, I was doing
yo,
this.
what
I
the-
was running, then I jumped.
Okay, David, come on.
I was.
We gotta fight this skeleton. Did he fall?
Oh no.
Yo, did you? Oh, you're dead, bro. You got. Oh. How'd you fall, man? You're so doo-doo. Hold on, bro, before you die. The only way is to do this. Wait. Ah, man. Oh, so close. Did Victor just say FBI? Oh, man. Hey, yo, something is beating me up.
I think this might be the end of my life.
No, don't do that, Victor. Don't. Yeah, you're so bad, man.
Come on, help me.
How can I help you?
Just like help me like building stuff.
Okay, I'll break these blocks for you. You can't even use them. Oh.
Don't even give me blocks.
I'm sorry, man. There's nothing I can do. Oh wait, there's some ladders.
Oh wow.
I could break them for you. And then come down there. Hold on, let me eat another apple. Victor, can you please stop?
Wait, where? Where are you? Where are you?
Okay. I'm coming to help you. Alright, so here are some ladders.
Oh, where? Okay.
I just built them, but this one is glitching a little bit. Hey yo, chill, bro. I'm still trying to fix it. Okay, now we gotta like jump onto this. Hold on, I'll do it for you.
How am I this tall?
Wait, hold on. Let me do it for you. No, Victor, stop. No. Oh,
man. I think I know what you're doing. Look, see. Wait, my way.
Look what you're doing. You're not even.
I think you need to break some parts over there.
There we go. Alright, now try not to fall, alright?
I need to hold it.
Okay. So crouch. Crouch so that you don't fall. Because if you crouch, the only way you can fall is if you jump. So now let's go. Let's go here. Yeah, it's the only way so that you don't fall. Because look, see I'm crouching? I'm not even falling. So just keep on crouching. The only way to fall is if you hit somebody off. So just don't crouch, whatever you do. I mean, just just keep on crouching. Hold on. Don't run, because last time you tried to run. I'm just clearing the path. I can hear a skeleton.
I hear a spider.
Oh,
yeah, I was right. It was a spider.
I was like, okay. Crouch, man. What do you think you're doing?
Okay, go
if
fast.
you fall, I'm gonna let you die again.
You wouldn't dare do that, would you?
Yeah, I would.
Oh, really? Then don't do it.
Hold up, what? It's another... Oh my gosh, it's another maze.
How is it a maze?
Cause that's a dead end.
Of course this is a maze. Does it seem too easy to just be going here?
I hear a spider.
Yeah, me too. I think it's where we're going, or maybe it's behind me. Oh, there. It's coming right behind you. It's following you. Huh? Good luck. What? Oh, it's not going to.
Wait, where are you?
I'm up here. I'm in.
Wait, where?
I think I'm going there.
I hear it. Wait.
What? No, it's behind me. Aha, there. Haha. Too bad, so sad. Wow.
Where are you?
You'll see. I'm in first place.
Oh, but where
Hopefully I
are you?
won't fall.
Is that you?
Yeah?
No, you're going the wrong way. Come here.
How?
That's not the right way. Come on, here.
Okay, wait, first I wanna go.
Come on, man.
Yeah, it's the wrong way.
Come back. Man, you know what? I'm leaving without you.
No, don't leave.
I'm going without you.
No, don't. Sorry.
Be careful. Make sure not to fall. What did I just say?
It's like
What
1
is
second.
that? You know what? No. I'm going on without you.
What does
I would
it
have
even
fallen.
do? What does it even do though? I don't
This
even know how
requires
it
some
kills
pro
me.
gamer
I don't
moves.
see my hearts going
This
down.
is what is called a pro. I don't know if it's actual lava or not. Or maybe it's because of the golden apple. Oh, I almost fell.
Am I going
This is
the
what is
right
called
way?
a pro gamer move.
This is what it is called. The man of the lost. Wait, maybe if I break this it'll go. I can't break it. At least I don't need to crouch down here. Don't seem to be dying.
Yo, where do I?
So far, so
Where do I
good.
need to go? I
do-
don't understand.
You need a golden apple. Wait, am I going the wrong way? Or am I even supposed to be done? Yeah, that's where I was going. Wait, look at the cages. Go back at the cages. Oh, yeah, try to break it. Maybe you're supposed to break it. Am I just going in circles? Probably am. Doesn't seem to be anything down here. Where's the ladder place? Come on. Ladder. Haha.
No. Come on. Oh, I should have brought blocks. Man, I should have just made myself die. You know, I can't be bothered. Let's just go into creative mode. Just so that we can get back to the top.
Okay, let's go back at the start.
No.
Huh?
Alright, let's give ourselves some dirt. Hey, you better get ready. I'm giving you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, you're lucky you landed there.
I know that making me look. I'm still on build. I'm still on build. Wait,
Okay.
let's see if I can search things. I know this is not what I want. I get to do whatever I want. yes.
No.
Okay, sorry. What? Bruh, you're saying there are no wolves?
That's how they look. Can you stop? No, you're not spawning wolves.
No, only one.
Too late. What?
It's rigged.
Ayo, bro. No. You're not spawning a wolf. They're just gonna die and fall in the lava.
I don't care.
You don't care?
Yeah, just make them fall. Okay, fine. Yeah, they'll fall.
How does that make you feel? Watch. How does that make you feel? How does that make you feel? You can't make them anymore. See? Why did you do that?
Hey, why did you do that?
See what you made me do.
No!
See, now you fell.
Hey, you didn't even give me dirt.
I'm going to give you next time I see. So selfish. Did you ask?
Okay,
How can I give you dirt when I don't even know where you are?
Drop some dirt where I am. I'm coming to you. Oh wait, I'm going the wrong way.
Wait, am I supposed to like? Is this what I'm supposed to do? I'm supposed to do this?
Hey! Come on, give me some blocks. Come on, come to me. Look at me. Look at me. Come on, yeah. Drop some blocks.
Just TP to me. Watch. Wait, did I allow cheats? I don't think I put cheats on. Wait, what am I hearing? Alright, so let's see if you can TP to me. What?
Wait, let me
Slash TP.
I am Jack.
Seems like you can't TP, but I think I can.
In the fuck?
There we go.
Wait,
Yo, no, no, sir, no.
Stop. I said stop.
Yeah. Why were you hitting me?
I wanted to see how strong you are. Okay, give me some dirt. Just in case I fall again.
Are you ready? Hey, yo, bro, what are you? Look, David, look. Let me build a bridge to you. Here you go. Here's the bridge. No, look the other way. No. Your sense of direction is boo-boo cheats, man. Here you go. Are you ready? Wait. Don't start yet. I want to see what this is. Ender Pearl. Oh, that's what I heard. They were Endermen. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Clap cheeks. Wait, are they gonna fight back? It doesn't look like they're gonna fight back.
Wait, I did put it on extreme. Oh wow. Look what I dropped that clown.
What was the point of this? This was all a waste of time. Let's go back. Here you go. Take some dirt. That's just gold, David. Here, take some dirt, David. I told you it's just some gold. so funny built.
Where are you?
Hey, what's going on?
What?
What just hit you?
I don't know. Okay, come on, we gotta see. Oh, I forgot where
Now we fight to the death. If I catch you, you're gonna die. I can just do this, man.
No, that's what you call cheating. That's what you call cheating.
Man, what are you doing?
So,
Whoever exits out last gets I have to kill them. He has to die 10 times over and over again.
Okay, but you can't kill me in the main store. Safe zone in the
Yeah,
main
you can hurt them. And I win. Oh, no cheating. So I can't cheat.
What?
Hold up, why do you just keep on getting beat up?
What even is that? What is that?
It's a zombie.
Can't really talk about
You're so far away from the entrance. Ah, I see you. Hey.
I just found.
What in the world? Hey, the creeper did that, so,
What is this place?
yeah. The creeper did it.
Come on, let's go down here. Let's go down here. Oh, come on, let's go down here.
We just came from there.
Oh no, let's come in here. See, let's come in here.
I win.
No, I didn't. Let's come in here. I don't here. Sometimes that's just stuff.
Come on. Yeah, you have to, I win. So, yeah. Let's fight. Man, I'm just gonna find you. You know that, right?
But there are droughts here.
Where are you?
Come on, drought.
I can survive longer underwater than you can. Oh, there's so many drowned here.
I'm just gonna ditch you.
You see, I can stay alive underwater longer than you can. Yo, who made this? Was this you? Where are you? Wait, what is this? Oh, it's a dolphin. Nice. Oh, I didn't. Oops, I didn't know that I was gonna kill it. Where are you? I'm going to find you, man. Yo, let's go explore that. Hey, why do they keep on spawning? Like, I don't understand.
There's a drone right there. I don't know why the drone is just standing. Oh my god. It's coming up to the water. Come on.
What? It doesn't make any sense.
What? Oh. I think what happens if you hit an octopus.
I was like, how are you dying, bro? No, man. How did you die? You drowned. You're so bad.
I was getting attacked.
By what? No, you drowned.
Octopus.
It says you drowned, man.
Okay,
You can't lie to me. Where am I? What is this? No, I don't know where I am.
Oh, you said you wanted to explore that. What? Seriously? Wait, was that you that did that?
Did what?
Oh, I forgot. What? What?
I don't know. Every time there's 4 over there. Oh, yo, what? Watch, I'm gonna watch them turn into drowned.
What's that?
I think that's coal. What does it do?
It's a drown you. What does it have? What does it have? Oh, this is like a miss. I got here first.
Yo, what?
I got here first. Yeah, I'm climbing the thing and you are beating me. Wait, what's it?
No, 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 no.
First one to climb that thing wins. Okay.
You know what? Let's just stop with this, man. Hey guys, thank you for tuning into this live stream. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like. Comment what we should do next.